Welcome back to the new Reddit review react series. I'm going to be reacting to your designs, your work on our subreddit, and we're going to react to the best, the most upvoted designs of the year. And if you guys really love this content and you want to see more of it, make sure to subscribe down below. Okay, so the most upvoted of the year is this one, Illustro CPT. So you redesigned your dad's business logo. I like it. So here's the original logo we have here. That looks all right. It's quite complicated. There's a lot of information in there. Let's see how you go. Okay, I see. You've made this simpler. I like it. The new logo concept works well. Abraham's, I like the A that's in there. I like the fact that it kind of looks like the roof, the thatch of a roof of a building. That's cool. What else have we got going on? We've got a car mock-up. Again, mock-ups make everything look better. They work really well. I'm liking the fact that we've got the high vises there. You've got all the things in context. The color yellow isn't something that I would normally think of, but it works. It's bright. Again, from what it was to what it is now, it's just simpler, fits nicer. I really like that about it. You've got a nice unique icon there. Kind of looks like an M and an A, so Abraham's Builders. Yeah, no, I like it. Well done. Okay, here's one that's caught my attention. This is a logo design for a brewing company called Lazy Hippo. First of all, how cool is that? He does look lazy. Those eyes make him look well lazy. I love the text as well. It's got that non-corporate, the hand lettered feeling to it as well that feels really nice. Clean icon, lazy type, I like it. And the different compositions that you've used. So you've got Lazy Hippo up here in this kind of like stroke, it's for a badge. Over here on the left, we've got just the side panel, looks good on its side. And we have the other badge here. I love it. It just works well. One thing that I've noticed though is here you've created it and you've just turned it white. You might have to redo this part here because you've inverted it slightly incorrectly, so it looks scary. The hippo now looks scary down there. But I love the type. I love the icon and how it's all placed. It feels very homely, feels very casual. Okay, at night we hunt. Hippopotamus you. Tired of hypocrites. Don't worry, be hippie. Okay, I like this. It's got a bit of like, you know, comedy to there, a bit of humor. I do love this illustration. It does look like AI, but I think we live at a time where we just don't know if it's AI. This can, I really love the can. It works well. The hippo looks great, but part of me is like, you've got a hippo for the logo, then you've got this illustration of a hippo, you know, something there. Oh, the six pack, my type of thing. Indian Pale Ale, love it. It's got the beige background to it. Pink and beige is such a strange color for a beer, but I think if you're going to be unique, then that could work really well. The type style of it just makes you feel, I don't know, more natural. It feels less serious, but not too playful. It just works well. And all these mock-ups, again, look at this. You'll notice that all the work that gets upvoted and all the work that people love is work where the person, the designer, has created more mock-ups to show it in actual context. Well, that's a cool typeface. I love that. And you're using Inter. Nice. Inter's very readable, legible for body text. Yeah, I would give that a solid 9 out of 10. I love it. You can really feel the character and the personality from it as well. Okay, the badger symbol. The old design, the badger is in the negative space with the B. It's quite complicated because you've got one logo and then another on top. And this one, you've fully incorporated the badger in there. And I love that because it feels more like it's there. It hasn't just been plastered on top of that B. If you see that, it reminds me of the Beats by Dre, but if it was a badger, obviously. But I love the negative space of the badger. You can tell it is there. If I were you though, I would get rid of this part up here. There's something about logos where they have this sort of corner here where it's been curved that gives it an amateurish look. But that's just me. This does not look amateur. That's not what I'm saying. I think it looks really good. It's just that bit there. But check it out. Proper negative space. Badger ink. Love it. Love the mock-ups. Oh my goodness. That mock-up there is great. Look at that paper texture that you've got going on. Yeah, looks really nice. And what I will say is the typeface works really well. I know why you've done it now. If that's a logo type that you've designed yourself, well done. Looks really nice, friendly, but also professional too. Genesis graphic art. Ooh, so your first post 3 months ago. The summer I was asked to create a graphic look for my church's upcoming series in the book of Genesis. Oh, cool. This is well up my street. So this is for your church, a graphic. This is incredible work. It's modern, but kind of medieval as well, which is where you've got your inspiration from. I love the typography and everything in here. Got Noah's Ark here, is it? I should know this, being a Christian. Obviously the peace dove, the serpent. I love it. It kind of looks 3D, like it's embossed, debossed. I really love the feel of it, and the way that you've composed it with these like white lines around it just look great. Oh, the mock-ups. Oh, that looks cool. I think that's supposed to be a menu, but if I got that as a menu, I'd be instantly interested in what it is. This is so cool. Look at that. And then inside, you've got the actual study of it, all the information beautifully laid out. And it's very consistent as well. The actual typography in there feels like it belongs. The continuity is there. It feels like it all fits together with this typing. I love that typeface. The back is very pleasantly done too. I think you nailed the brief. I think you absolutely nailed that. So well done. This video is sponsored by Recraft, the ultimate image generation and editing tool for designers, creators, and teams. Recraft gives you complete control over your design process with AI-powered tools like Image Generator, Vector Creator, Mockup Maker, and one of my favorites, Outpainting. Outpainting lets you extend visuals beyond their original borders, making it perfect for expanding backgrounds or adding contextual elements seamlessly. The main advantage of Recraft version 3 Lite is text generation quality, anatomical accuracy, prompt understanding, and high aesthetic quality. Recraft 3 is the only model in which the world can generate images with long text as opposed to just one or a couple of words. The new model allows specifying the exact positions and sizes of text on a design. It's also possible to position other images and combine them with texts, allowing the generation of complex graphic designs. Trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, including brands like Netflix and HubSpot, Recraft make creating and collaborating effortless. And here's the best part. Follow the link in the description to get an exclusive $12 discount on any plan. Don't miss out. Level up your creative workflow today with Recraft. A random collection of logos and marks. One of my favorite things to look at. Okay, so Nova Build. I do love this mark here. Feels very, intentional, feels placed. You can definitely read it as an N. Yeah, I love that lime green. Ooh, Moroccan Arts and Design Museum. Oh, that's cool. I have seen a lot of logos recently using shadows in full color logos. And I guess it works well depending on the medium, but if you ever to, print this in black and white is what everyone says, then will it work? And I guess I'm not sure on the answer for this one because I really love it. Moroccan Arts and Design Museum. It just fits really nicely together. Hey, grids. This is for a creative agency. This kind of looks like Gridit.io, that cool plugin that this man, which I'm linking here, made. It looks really cool. This is right up my street. Look at this badge. This reminds me of like Aaron Draplin's kind of work where it's very, illustrative, tattoo. Love it. Pub. So you've just got rid of all what's known as the counters on this. That's cool. There's not really much to say apart from all of these are just really good logos. I really like them. This one's strange. Swell. Nice. How many have you got? You've been a busy person. And might I say that mark is really good. It really signifies that too. What I love about your work that you've shown here is that you don't have a particular style. A lot of logo designers I see have like a particular style that they put into every piece of their work. What I see that you're doing, which I think is really impressive, is that you've created a style for each of these companies. Sure, some of them look similar because it's you designing them, but you've created actual styles. If you were to show me this logo to this one, Aquaora, I would never know it was you that designed it. It just feels like it belongs and it's in place. So well done. It looks really good. Oh, we have a bento grid. We have to stop at the bento grid. Logo for Cherry Nail Studio. Now, I've never seen a nail studio look as good. Look at that. That logo feels very, 80s. It's got that kind of vibe to it. I love this display serif that you've used. It's very bubbly. Doesn't feel corporate. I like that. But then you kind of contrast that with this lovely sans serif type in a really well laid out grid here. Life isn't perfect, but your nails can be. Again, showing your work in a bento grid now is what a lot of designers do, and it works really well. And for those of you that don't know what a bento grid is, it's essentially this, where you show different pieces of information inside a tightly packed grid. So you've got the main logo, another one, imagery, logo variation, add samples, mock-ups, things like that. And it just shows you in one image a lot of information or a lot of features. In fact, Apple do this a lot with their new products and with their new features that they add into the new updates that they bring. Ooh, we all know X is a bit controversial. This guy here, has actually redesigned it, and I really like this. Seriously, it looks really good. X is a very hard logo to get right because it's a letter that we all see, but then to make it unique is even more difficult. Look at the cleanliness of that logo. It just looks clean all the way through, very satisfying. Now, one thing that I know Elon wouldn't like, which is just because of what he said, I don't know the guy personally, he wants X to be aggressive, and that's why they have the logo that they have. So with this one, although it looks amazing, he may not like it because it looks similar to Threads, where it's quite friendly looking. But I will say this looks incredibly good. You can definitely tell it's an X. It's beautifully executed, and I love all of the ad campaign clips here that you've got. Oh, it's happening on X. I love the fact that you show it in use, the verified and pro symbols. This gives context. So when you're showing it to a client or showing your work to anyone that is trying to buy it, to show just the logo never work. You have to actually show it in context in mock-ups. Awesome. What do you guys think of this logo? Let me know down below. Ooh, this is a nice one. Think innovation. Negative space logo. I do like clever logos. I love this logo. It fits nicely. It's geometric. You see this T? I love how it comes down like this. And it's kind of flat. It's just a satisfying feeling. Whenever there's a clever logo, as long as it works well, that people can read it and understand the negative space within it, like this light bulb, it just fits nice. Another bento grid. Hey, look at this. Looks nice, using pop-ins. I like it. This is a great one. Observe. If you could send me in all your clever logos, that would just make my day. This one is actually sick. It's just the two eyes here with the B that's kind of lopsided. It looks really nice. Yeah, look how clever that is. I love the ink trap in the R as well. Something so simple, but works so effectively. Bell Cafe. I love the logo type here. That is so cleanly done. It's very legible, scaled well. Premium coffee, let's see it in action. Ah, you've gone for the dark aesthetic. I love that. These mock-ups look good. I would drink that. That's how I know I like it. I would drink this. We've got one here that I like as well. Oh My Chick. I'm guessing this is a chicken restaurant. It's a food truck. Oh, no way. Okay, so the chicken logo, or Oh My Chick logo. Yeah, I like it. You've got the chicken in there. It is literally just a chicken with flames around it. I like that. Works well. And Oh My Chick, the word mark, done that really well. I really like that. There's a big trend at the moment for word marks and logo types to be stacked and to look kind of hand-drawn. It's what people like nowadays. People trust it more. And I love the fact as well that you haven't just copied the H. You've actually made a completely new one too. And the exclamation mark in the middle works really nicely. Dude, this is unreal. You've even got the save zones in there. That's really good. Where's the mock-ups? You've just given me your whole brand guidelines. No way. Well, at least I know how to use it for the video. Sorry. Stupid joke. I love the packaging. Yeah, look at that. You get so much context from this. And you've got the discount card there. Nice. Your brand is seen all the way throughout, and I really like that. I really dig it. So those were the best designs that you've submitted this year on the subreddit. If you want to submit your own, then go ahead. It's free. I'll link it down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below, share it with your mates, and also share your own work on the subreddit. Let me know of the work that you've seen down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.